Remote jobs you can do whenever you want, and this one's gonna pay you up to $10,800 per month. Now, before we get started, make sure to give me a follow because I post about remote jobs, side hustles, and ways to make money online every single day. With that being said, let's get right to it. For this one, you're gonna wanna head over to dailytranscription.com and go ahead and scroll all the way down to where you see become a freelancer. Go ahead and click that. And this one's gonna be for the AI editor. As you can see, it's offering 10 to 30 hours per week and $60 to $90 per hour of material. So if we go ahead and do the math, that's 30 hours times $90 per hour, which is $2,700, times it by 4, and that's $10,800 per month.
Now let's talk about the bad and good about this side hustle. Now the good thing about this website is that it is legit and it pays very good money. Now the bad news about the side hustle is that you need to be located in certain countries like United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and New Zealand. And even if you do live in these countries, you need to have a specific skill set and prior experience to get started with. Now, if you want more honest and transparent side hustle video reviews, follow me for more.